SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to pin a conversation in Messages on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have a lot of conversations in the Messages app on your iPhone, then it's possible that you spend time scrolling through those lists of messages until you find the one that you want. One way that you can improve this situation is to pin a conversation to the top of the Messages app. You can get started by opening the Messages app. Here you'll see that I already have some conversations pinned at the top of the Messages app, which means that these are going to stay there regardless of their order within the chronological list of your message conversations. If you would like to pin a conversation, then you just need to tap and hold on that conversation, and then you can select the pin option. Now that's going to add this up here, which allows it to stay visible at the top of the Messages app even if you haven't had a message in that conversation for a while. If you want to unpin a conversation from this location, then you can just tap and hold on the pin, and then you can select the unpin option, which is going to restore it to the regular message list. If you want to change the order of your pinned conversations, then you can tap the edit button at the top left. If it says filters here for you instead, then you should see a little circle with 3 dots here, and then you can just tap that and then choose the edit option. Now you're going to select edit, and then you're going to choose edit pins. Now you should see that there's a little horizontal white line inside of a circle at the top corner of the Messages app. So if you just want to tap and hold on a conversation, then you can drag it to the desired location among all of the other pinned conversations there. Once you're finished moving all of your pins, just tap the done button and you're all set.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.